What's up, Doc? Did you recognize the characters? Anyone? Guys, we grew up in the 90s, so we watched a lot of Looney Tunes on Cartoon Network.
We are that old.
Not that old. Come on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
Not enough, obviously.
Maybe that's for you to decide. I don't know in which generation you grew up, but we thought of a childish theme, which is still minimalistic, for the dessert. It's colorful and as healthy as possible. Do the same, come on.
Let's begin with the decorations first. Okay, so what you see here are two baskets I found on the thrift shop, and I have already washed them, like really washed with soap, yeah, with water and soap, because you never know. But they turned out to be quite okay. I don't want to do anything to them because I think I like the color, and I will see at SANDRA'S which one will look better. I will put them aside. So I'm going to put this on the table because what we are going to do right now is some grass out of crepe paper. As I might mention before, I am an architect, so for me the grass is not always green. In this case it will be gray. Okay, so I will make gray grass for the basket because we want to put the eggs on top, and the eggs, I hope they will turn out pastel, like pink and blue, and I think they will look amazing on this gray. So I have here some scissors, and what I want to do is to cut as fine as I can the whole roll. So this is what I'm trying to make. Ah, it already looks amazing. Cut just one piece. Let's do the rest of the roll. It's turning out actually better than I thought. Okay, I think it's enough, like, wow, it's enough to fill the basket, and I don't think I will need the other one. I want to do something else because I found out that Sandra will cook something for our inner child. I thought about doing something really fun and realistic. I know I've told you earlier that the grass is not always green, but what do you say? The carrots are always orange. Let's be serious now. Let's begin with the last project, the carrots. I want to do a small garland for the cake. So I have two sticks that are actually for barbecue. I suppose the cake is like this size, and my garland will be like this. 27, let's say 28 centimeters. I suppose I can do 5 small, let's see. So here I can do 5 small carrots. For this I chose a cardboard, an orange cardboard and a green cardboard. I really want color for this project. I hope it will look amazing on the cake. I hope so. And now I have to decide the shape. I wasn't happy with the leaves. So I made 3 different shapes, and I think I will stay with this one. And this shape of a carrot. I want to cut them now. Okay, so this is the shape. Now the leaves. I think it looks amazing, it looks realistic, I love it. So, 5 of them. The most difficult part is that I want 2 holes into this carrot, and I only have these 2, so I hope I won't ruin anything. Glue this here, but first I think I'm going to put the string. I actually want to do something extra. Story of the eggs.
It's time for the story of the eggs. Cut! Okay guys, so it's time for the story of the eggs. I talked with Andrea about creating everything as natural as possible. So we thought of some natural dye colors. This is the yellow one. I made it using 1 liter of water and 3 tablespoons of turmeric. This is the red one, which kind of got me into problems. They got into some brownish stuff, but anyway, the red one, it's made of beet, 1 large beet in 1 liter of water. This one is made of red cabbage. It looks purple, but in fact it will color the eggs in blue. If you want to obtain green, you mix these 2, but you just don't mix them together. You paint them here for a while, and after that here. You can find the recipe of the eggs on my Saltymap account on Instagram, but I can give you a few hints for the moment. I use white eggs in order for them to color as naturally as possible and as close to the dye we have here. Everything is made of condiments or vegetables. The fact is that it's a really long process, so I didn't want to show you everything. It took a few hours for the eggs to get their colors in these liquids, but you can see it on your own. Good luck with that. This is just a few details, but you can check on my Instagram account and you can see there every detail. I will continue experimenting with this kind of colors, so you'll be able to see every failure and every kind of trick that there is. I can't wait to show you the results. Bugs Bunny left his carrots on my kitchen counter. Naturally, a classic carrot cake was born. Cheese was the perfect choice for a fluffy filling. I can assure you it's a very tasty dessert. Now, on the other hand, not all the eggs got to be what I expected, but in the end, they fulfilled our vision.
So these are our proposals for today. Please share your favorite one in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to Sandra's channel, Saltymap on Instagram. I will link it in the description. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, hopefully as funny as this one.
We enjoyed it. We really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much for being here on this channel, and thank you a lot for having us in your home. Like, I know it's a very, very private space, and
sorry. Coffee.
Coffee is in the box. It's okay. I don't know if for everyone, but for you, and it means a word to me that you agreed to film here.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure. It was an awesome experience, and I really hope we'll do something like this again in the future.
Awesome! Yeah! I will thought of something.
Perfect. We'll share that after.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.